Hello everyone and welcome to Al Jazerah broadcast, where we explore the latest and greatest news from our beloved school. I'm your host Iyad Samer, and let's delve into our new and interesting topics. First off, we will talk about the world of education with the SAT test that was implemented at Ibn Rushd Holding Company, and we certainly want to know the student and teachers' expectations and how they feel. And now with our correspondent Muhammad Walid.
Thanks to my friend Yad. Now we're with Abdullah, and he's going to talk to us about the SAT trial exam that was held at our school's company. Abdullah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What do you think about the exam?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty beneficial.
Do you think it's more helpful in the future?
Yeah, helps me determine which college I'm going to go to and the level of which college I'm going to go to. Yeah, it's pretty helpful.
Thank you so much, Abdullah. Now we're back to Yad at the studio.
Next up, we'll discuss the initiative of the Little Merchant, which was held by our school to strengthen the skills of our young students. And now with our correspondent Zaid Sbietan.
Thank you, Iyad. Welcome to our special segment on Merchant Day. Today, we have one of our distinguished teachers, Mr. Wa'il. How are you doing, Mr. Wa'il?
Hello, sir. How are you? I'm pretty good.
I'm good, thank you. Mr. Wa'il, how do you think Merchant Day benefits our students when it comes to learning about commerce and entrepreneurship?
Well, it helped a lot, to be honest. The Little Merchant event that we did in our school, Ibn Rushd Jazerah, has helped our students a lot.
Yeah, I get it. How does Merchant Day help our students with their future by teaching them valuable lessons?
Exactly. Well, the whole point is for a student to have this little business, selling and buying. The idea of having money and cooperating to earn, of course, this financial source is very, very beneficial. And overall, having a business in the future, if you are learning how to, of course, to buy and sell, solve problems, have a team, it will help you have your own business. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wa'il. That concludes our interview. Back to Iyad from the studio.
And now with a brief interview with our correspondent Muhammad Usama.
شكرا لك زميلي إياد من الاستوديو. والآن مع أحد الطلاب المشاركين في مسابقة فرسان اللقاء على مستوى مدارس ابن رشد، الطالب تميم فيصل الحلي. السلام عليكم تميم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
تميم، أخبرنا عن مشاركتك في هذه المسابقة.
كانت جميلة جدا وكان الخصوم أقوياء واستمتعت في هذه المشاركة.
جميل تميم. ما أهم الأشياء التي استفدتها في هذه المسابقة؟
الثقة والتوكل على الله.
جميل. إذن ما هي أهم رسالة تود أن تهديها إلى أصدقائك؟
حاولوا مرة وأخرى وإن فشلتوا فلا عيب في ذلك.
إذن لمن تهدي هذا الفوز تميم؟
لوالدي ولوالدتي ومدارس ابن رشد الجزيرة العالمية.
شكرا لك تميم. والآن نعود إلى زميلي إياد في الاستوديو.
In other news, on Saudi National Day, we come together to celebrate the unity, heritage, and achievements of our beloved kingdom. With each year, we honor our rich students with culture and aspirations to the future, and the remarkable progress we've made. Today, we reaffirm our commitment to the vision of a prosperous, thriving Saudi Arabia for generations to come.
حكي دينك يا الرياض بنلحق البدر في سماء.
And last but not least, let's take a quick look inside the science lab with our biology teacher, Mr. Moiz.
So thank you, Iyad. You know that science is based on models and experiments. This is why we have here two models. This is the human body system and the DNA. So you must know that DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. Abbreviated DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information for the functioning and the development of organism. So like here we have the DNA, we have double strand, or we call double helix. This is like this molecule or these models is controlling the function of and the development of this human body systems. So thank you for having me, and you are welcome in our science lab in Ibn Rushd Jazerah School, and we'll see you later in another session.
And that wraps up today's episode. We've explored a variety of topics from the SAT test to the Little Merchant activity and the Saudi National Day celebrations. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep learning, stay inspired, and take care.